Hello! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a carousel post. And this is a seamless, easy way to do it. And I actually just learned this a few weeks ago. And I learned this from Social Sam. And I've never thought of doing it like this, and I did it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so easy to do. And I'm actually gonna pop up on the screen the old way I did carousel posts, so you'll see the difference. And then the new way, you can see the new way is really just seamless and through, and it all flows together versus the other one. Both look great, and I'm actually gonna make another video showing you how I made the templates for my old carousel posts I used to do, which I'll probably still do here and there, but this new way is awesome. So let's jump onto the computer. So I'm going to show you right away how to do this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a seamless carousel post. And here's just what it's going to look like in the end. You can see that everything is smooth flowing. So like here with the phone, when you swipe through, it'll be like one seamless through post, as opposed to the other way I'm going to teach you in the other video. It's just templates and then you just fill it in, but it doesn't smoothly flow through like this one does. So I'm curious to see which ones you guys like better, and this is what it will look like in the end. So what you got to do is you got to go to Canva, and you see create a design, and you hit customize size, and then the size is 5,400 by 1080, and you'll create it. And so then what you'll have to do is you'll see it's just a long rectangle, and you'll want to come into the file section up here, and you want to make sure you turn on the ruler, guides, and margins. And this will let you easily set the lines so you can create your carousel post and the dimensions are correct for Instagram. So come over here where the arrow is, and the first one is going to be 1080. So you just drag it, and it's pretty hard to get it on the dot, so if you're very close, then that's perfectly okay. Next is 2160. Then we have 3,240, and then we have 4,320. All right, so you can see all the lines are here, and you can easily just duplicate the page and make multiple pages if you want to do more than 5 posts, of course. That's completely up to you. So what you'll do first things first is click on that, and you can see you can come into the background and easily pick any background that you would like. So let's do, for example, let's say we're outdoorsy, so let's maybe use a flower background. And then since it's so vibrant, I'm actually going to make it a little more transparent so it's more smooth. And then what you can do is you can easily come into your elements, and you can add, cool little designs, that come over. I don't really like it right there. And change the color. You can add, let's add some gold maybe. Make that smaller. There we go. Just do it along the bottom. And then you can, then let's say you want to do you want to add more flowers. So we'll just search flowers. And then you can see, oh, there's some very cute ones we can add right here. Then, ooh, maybe this clear one. This will be really cool, actually. Maybe over here in the center, down below, right here. All right, so real easy, you can see. Easy for you to put it together, and I'll duplicate this. I'm going to change the color. Okay. Then you'll just come in and add your text. Here you add your text, change the link and everything. So header text, something that catches their attention on the first page. And then maybe you can have like a subtext, testing out how to. So then you bring it over, and I'm going to move it actually over to the right, open it to the right, and I'm going to take the spacing, space it out a little bit, line height, there we go. Bring it right here. Move this one over to the right as well. There. And I want this actually underlined. And I do Control U for that because there's no underline here, but if you do Control U, it lets you underline. So then here you have the front, and then all you do is come in and say you want to do, you know, tip 1 gardening. And then you simply just add your text and add them in here for your gardening. Then you can just simply duplicate. We say tip 2, duplicate, and then tip 3. And what you could do is you come to elements and just type in square. You could easily fit and do it in the background, since make sure that fits, and then you'll position it all the way to the back so everything goes on top of it. You can easily do that, and I'll probably make it a little transparent so you can see through. And then at the end, I'm just going to duplicate the spacing one, and you can, ask a question. Say, follow for more tips, or comment below your favorite tip. Either or, just make sure you leave a call to action, letting people know what they should do next. Let them know to save it, let them know to share it, whatever it is you want them to be doing. And then you also want to go into the text, and don't forget to add your handle. This way you can easily, get credit for it if someone shares it and they see it. And so you just duplicate it and do it all across the board. So it's really easy to create your carousel posts and then share it. And you can easily, if you want to use the same background, just duplicate it and then come in and edit different things, add more elements, whatever it is that you want to do. So it's really easy to keep the same template or switch it around depending on what you want to be doing. And now what you'll do is you'll hit download. And what you'll do is, I'm just going to download this one page because you have to split it up. Now, when you do this, you'll go to pinetools.com and you'll just type in split, and it says split image. You'll hit split image, and all you do is you choose a file, upload it, and what you want to do is you want to hit horizontally, and then you'll want to come in and make sure it hits 5, and then you simply just hit split image. It split the images into 5 pieces, and then you just simply download all of them, and they're downloaded. And then you can see in the downloads it is all downloaded, and look, it's completely split. So when you swipe through, it'll be really smooth flowing. And I actually want to show you what it looks like. You can see that I did a seamless carousel post here, and you see it all flows together nicely, versus over here, let me go to my older ones I did. So here's like 3 Instagram mistakes, and you can see it doesn't really flow all together. I just left it pretty simple, and there's nothing wrong with that. It still looks good, but I really like the seamless carousel post of it all just flowing together, and how it looks. So yeah, it's super easy to do, easy to duplicate. You can make it into templates, that's not a problem, or you can create fresh from scratch every time and stick to your brand colors and what you want to be doing. All right, so I hope you learned exactly how to create these seamless carousel posts, and you're super excited to go try them. If you are and love this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'm curious if you like this, or if you've ever seen someone do it like this before, and if you want to try it. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe, because I will be releasing the following video in a few days, so you can see the other way to create carousel posts. You can decide which one is best for you. All right, well, you have a wonderful week, month, day, whatever you are watching this, and I will see you in the next video.